I am sure you don't know this about the New Jersey real estate market right now because one of my clients has just told me it couldn't be true. And he is wrong. He simply cannot come to terms with the fact that buyers have to deal with bidding wars again. And there's only one reason behind it, which is supply and demand issue and overall shortage of available homes for sale. And while last week average mortgage rates moved above 7% for the first time in several months, and this week again rates moved even higher, some buyers don't seem to care about it anymore. Some of my own buyers. Yes, most buyers have affordability issues for sure because of the high interest rates, but the percentage of deals that were all cash, meaning no mortgage involved, in January of 2024 rose to 32%. That's mind-blowing. We haven't seen a figure like this since 2014, 10 years. So who has that kind of money, guys? First of all, older homeowners, because they have massive equity in their existing homes they've been sitting on for years. And the next one is property investors. But don't count out first-time home buyers who are still 28% of sales. And when you gotta move out, you cannot do anything about it, right? And some of my own clients are in the situation like this right now. Another interesting thing is that homeowners are staying in place twice as long as they did 20 years ago. According to the report by Redfin, the length of time that homeowners are remaining in their properties doubled from 6.5 years in 2005 to 11.9 years last year, almost 12 years. So what does it tell you? It tells you that homes were changing hands on average every 6.5 years in the past, and now homeowners stay in those homes longer, almost 12 years at a time. Another interesting fact is that in January, existing home sales rose 3% month over month to 4 million units, which is the highest figure since August of 2023, says NAR. So what's driving the recovery? Three things. Number one, lower mortgage rates in November, December of 2023. Not anymore, but those people who started looking last year are on the roll to find something, right? And they keep looking. Number two, slightly improved inventory, not in New Jersey, mainly nationwide. And number three, normal seasonality, meaning the spring market is upon us already. I told you guys last week that we entered spring market early, so the median nationwide sales price in January was $379,000, which is up 5% year over year, which is exactly what experts have predicted, contrary to what some other people were saying about the market crashing, about interest rates going down. So the reality is what it is. We have high interest rates, we have low inventory, and we have bidding wars galore. If you need help, call the expert.